Welcome to our fun English class. Today, we're going to learn about school supplies. This is a pencil. Can you say pencil? Pencil. Pencil. We use it to write. This is a pen. Can you say pen? Pen. Pen. We use it to write letters and notes. This is a highlighter. Can you say highlighter? Highlighter. Highlighter. We use it to mark important things. This is a pencil case. Can you say pencil case? Pencil case. Pencil case. We use it to store all our pencils, pens, and more. This is an eraser. Can you say eraser? Eraser. Eraser. We use it to erase mistakes. This is a ruler. Can you say ruler? Ruler. Ruler. We use it to measure things. This is glue. Can you say glue? Glue. Glue. We use it to stick things together. These are scissors. Can you say scissors? Scissors. Scissors. We use them to cut paper. This is a book. Can you say book? Book. Book. We use it to read stories and learn. These are notebooks. Can you say notebooks? Notebooks. 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 We use them to write our lessons. This is a school bag. Can you say school bag? School bag. School bag. We use it to carry all our school supplies. Great job! Now you know your school supplies. Let's review. Can you name all the school supplies we learned today? Pencil. Colored pencils. Pen. Highlighter. Pencil case. Eraser. Ruler. Glue. Scissors. Book. Notebooks. School bag. Great job! Now you know your school supplies.